crispy chicken tender. Good morning guys, I have got you guys crispy chicken tender from the thigh meat of the chicken. So this is boneless thigh meat of the chicken. We are making the delicious, grab your marination bowl. So if you guys see, these are actually not too thick. It's just like this. If you get it from the market, just make sure they're not too thick. If they're too thick, just slice them, make it thinly cut. So just add the whole meat. This is actually 2 pounds of. I even have the tiny pieces in there as well. We all gonna use this. Here I have my cast iron pot right here. If you have a fryer, put the fryer on 350 degrees. And in the meantime, we'll start on the marination. The first thing you have to add in here, it's cayenne pepper. So at least we want the flavors, right? So here it is, half tablespoon. The second, garlic powder, half tablespoon. Third, paprika, half tablespoon. I want you guys to add minced onion in there as well, half tablespoon. Salt, as usual, half tablespoon. 2 pounds, and all of the ingredients so far we are putting half tablespoon on the meat. So take a look here. This is roughly crushed coriander, half tablespoon. Soy, 1 tablespoon. This is fire roasted pepper, Habanero, 1 tablespoon. Grab the eggs. Add at least 3 eggs in here. Alright, mix everything up. We are making the flavorful, delicious chicken tenders from chicken thigh meat. Thigh is considered to be a juiciest meat actually. So this recipe is for the thigh meat only. This is not the breast. Once you add all of this, let me show you guys. This is how it looks. Okay, once you mix that, put this on the side. Wipe up your hands. Another bowl. All-purpose flour. Add at least 3 whole baking cups of all-purpose flour. Again, half tablespoon garlic powder. Salt, half tablespoon. Paprika only, half tablespoon. Paprika gives the nice smokiest flavor ever. Add tiny bit of black pepper. Tiny means half tablespoon. We'll mix this. My guys, once you mix this, put this on the side, grab another bowl, add some water. Alright, time here. You grab the meat, okay, you put it in the flour. Cover this. You can use tongs if you want, it's all okay. Just give it a rough coat, pick it up, give it a tiny bit layer of water, put it back in, cover it again, so it will have a double coating. And my friend, right here, this piece goes in your hot oil. So easy, right? Again, let me show you. Grab the meat, put it in the flour, where we put all the seasoning, make sure it's covering everything, and give it a dip in water, a quick dip. Put it back in, add the flour on top again, so it's a double coated. And it goes right in. So here it is guys. Okay, oh my god, it smells so good. Trust me. I wish I can share these smells, the taste over the video. I wish I can do that. Check the crust, it's forming. 350 degrees in your fryers at least for 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes is enough, but just want to make sure everything is cooked because it's a thigh meat. Give at least 20 minutes on it. It's been 7 minutes. All I'm doing is just flipping it. It's already dipped in, but still when you flip it, it cooks everything evenly. Cook this again for more 7 minutes. It's been 17 minutes altogether, okay? We had the bigger pieces, we had the smaller pieces. You guys see what beautiful color it had formed. Delicious. So I'll take them, I'll grab it and just put it right now for like a couple minutes. Just like this. Homemade, crispy chicken tenders from chicken thigh meat with all the recipe I have shared with you guys. It's right here, right now, at this time. So let's put this in here. Wow, it's deliciously good. So easy, so quick, delicious. In a minute, I'll cut it and I'll show you the whole thing. That will be the moment of truth. All right, so moment of truth, okay? It's been 5 minutes. It has been rested. It's cooled down. So here you go, okay? Oh my God, it's... All right. So this is what we're talking about, guys. It's fully cooked. The best chicken tender ever you can make. It's even juicy. Check this. The thigh meat, it's juicy. Yes, sir. Take a look here. So tender. You'll forget all franchises outside from where we get our chicken tenders. These are the softest chicken tenders. They're not dry. I can just eat this whole thing without adding any sauce or cheese. This is the biggest piece. Check the water, check the tenderness of the meat. Literally took 20 minutes to make this delicious recipe. I'm actually surprised. So we want the cheese sauce with that, folding it and adding it here. Put this in microwave for 1 minute. Perfect, delicious recipe for your chicken tenders right here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. I'll be keep enjoying and adding more stuff to it. This is the best ever chicken tender recipe. Okay, I want a little bit more the gooiness. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The cheesy, crispy chicken tenders. OMG. Subscribe to the channel.